Okay, everybody, we are live. Let's go. Wait a second. Mm. No, we have not taken entrance yet. I was just notifying people in my Discord group that we are live. That's it. Okay, okay, okay. So, what's next? What's your analysis? I will get into that. I was just making sure that everything is running smoothly. There's no delay in the live stream. I don't think so. Okay, so let's get into this. So last time the trade we have taken, let's say current week. So currently we are up around $12. That will be like around 1.5% or something. Not sure. But besides that, yesterday we have taken two buys. So let me review that first. Okay, this was our first buy over here. We already closed this one. Nearly when it was at around our take profit, I guess. And besides that, our second buy was here, which we move our stop loss. I already put that in our Discord group. If you are not in the Discord group, please do join there to get updated when I'm not doing live stream. Okay. So that was the trade we have taken yesterday. Now today, what we are looking for. So we missed this move. You know, take a look at this on a 30-minute time frame. Yesterday, when I said that price will come up around this area, after that we will start looking for sells, I guess. Okay. So I was not expecting that price will continue going up because if you take a look at the daily and weekly time frame, you will understand why. It have already moved on like quietly a lot. So I'm not expecting that price will, go bullish more. We will see some consolidation or something like this for some period of time. So we need to make money in that zones. So Currently looking at this daily time frame. Take a look. Let me zoom in. Currently looking at the daily time frame. We had a huge bullish candle, then a bearish candle. So we are still in consolidation, you can say, on daily time frame. So no trade on that one, you can say, if you're taking long trades using daily time frame. If I'm talking about 4 hour time frame. So what we have here is like new candle open up and sorry, I mean we have last 1 hour for this candle, but like if it close below this area and next candle open up, then we can start looking for sells because we have a support coming up here, and for us to take another trade which is here, I'm moving my, as you guys can see that I'm moving my support as we find the better support areas, okay, using that smaller time frame. So yeah, so this is our zone, okay, yeah. So if price break below these zones, okay, what I'm expecting that 4 hours should close below this area before continue going down. So it might be like, this current 4 hour can just, drive down till here, but not sure. We have just started the live stream, so we're gonna wait around 15 to 20 minutes, observe the market, and then we'll see what we can do. Okay. So this is the analysis on gold. This was a pretty clean trade. You can see price touches this resistance you can see, which was previously a support and came down again, touched that same area, now coming back down. Now this is a now two rejections. You can see three rejections is the like final saying that yeah, price will move down, but we will just wait for a little bit more confirmation or a small retracement for taking a trade and get a better entry. We cannot go blindly into the trade just because we have a better confirmation in past. Now looking at GBP USD. So yesterday, as I said in the live stream, that we are waiting for a break above this area or maybe below. When price did break above, I said I'm looking for a retest. Okay. We have a retest. Okay. This week was the retest. Okay. If you don't count that as a retest, then I'm not sure what can I say. Because take a look. This is a week, right? Again, a week. If you go to smaller time frame, it will turn to a candle. If I go to a minute, it will turn to a candle. Okay. So this is like how does the wick forms. So what I mean is like this for me, this count as a retest on a 1 minute or smaller time frames. Yeah, it's not that big of a confirmation, but when we are taking a scalping trade, we should move quickly. Okay. So if you have taken the trade, price move up, you can see there is a big rejections at this point. You should have at least closed partial when it move. How much? Let's say if you take a trade on this retest, this was like around 20 pips. So yeah, you should have closed partials at around this area when it touches this highs. But anyway, that was a past trade. If have taken, but if you have not taken, then we have current scenario is like price have broken into the range again. So let's go to daily time frame. What we are seeing, price have broken the highs, now turning back again. Looking at the 4 hour, what do we have? Yep, price is retesting, I guess, this support. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait because you see, oh yeah, this is good. So on 1 hour, good. Okay. So what I'm expecting is that price may drop till here before reject the zones or take a retracement. So for taking a sell, it's still risky one though. I don't know if I should take trade on this one. So I'm gonna wait for some period of time, watch this pair, then we'll see if we need to take a trade or not. Now, what we have on GBP JPY going on a daily time frame, looking at the price action, pretty fucked up. But yeah, okay. So here's the opportunity we have. Price consolidated breakout, done a retest on 4 hour time frame, and new 4 hour candle is breaking the highs. Looking at the current state, price have broken above, doing a nice retest. Okay. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, what do we see? What do we see? We are seeing this rejection. So what we need is this 30-minute candle closure for like bullish candle, and next candle can break the highs for us to take the trade. So if it does that, then I think I'll be able to take the trade and put stop loss below this area. How much is it? Is it like $13, which will be like 26 pips? In order to target around, if we target around the highs, that will be still 66 pips. We do not need that much. We'll just target around, let's say, how much we have. The 50 is enough, I guess. $24 or so. So if we go to current month, we are still down around $15. We come to today, positions, and yeah. So that is the analysis we have today. Tell me if you have any questions or something, write it in the chat. Man, I'm too transparent with the live stream. Like, I show everything. Sometimes I feel like that, but people say people do not show everything. Boy, every day when I wake up, and so my brother just showed me something like there was this there was this guy here who showed us that like when he was new, I guess, in investing, and I was in Paris. He showed us something like a platform or something to invest in. We invested around, I don't know, really less, or $100 or $200. So we made around $26 on that one. Okay. And we try to withdraw the profit. Oh, guess what? We cannot withdraw that profit. Fucking scammers. All over the place. All over the place. People who are watching the live stream, tell me guys, like Have you encountered any scammer like while you were trading or when you started trading or something? Share your journey, share your things. Okay. So gold is still like, no sign that it will slow down at the moment. How many minutes we have left? 3 minutes left for the 30-minute closure. We're gonna wait. We gonna wait. Yes, I'm trying to show you something here, but this file explorer. Yeah, it is. It is. So, okay, if you think that patience is hard, like the waiting and everything, you know, so what we can do is like chat in the meantime. So tell me your stories. Tell me something that is, you know, entertaining, something like that, or maybe about the finance world, whatever you have. Like I can fucking wait till I get any better entry because I know if I enter right now, I may get around like $10 to $20 out of this. But I know that when price reject, it will like it never will come back to this point, and I just hold the trade. So I know that feeling, and we do not need that. So we're gonna wait. Like we have still like around 30 seconds left for this 30-minute closure. We're gonna wait how this candle do closed. If if this candle do close like this, and the next candle go up a little bit and do reject and come back down, then we might get into entries. But we still want to wait. Like currently, we have 4 people watching. I want you guys to like the live stream and at least subscribe to the channel. Okay, 30-minute candle did closed. What do we have? Okay, I 15-minute candle, no topic. Oh boy. So this is the last 30-minute candle for 4 hour, 1 hour. So I think I'm gonna wait for this 30 minutes. I'm not gonna take any entries anyway how this candle move. Okay. So in the meantime, I'll show you guys something. Okay. I think you can see. So this is a drone shot. Recently, I've been practicing on this one, and that's I have taken. Like, look at this, how amazing it is, huh? It's so beautiful. Like in even in the video, and when you see the sky with the naked eyes, it was amazing. Yeah, sorry for that many cuts because this was too many clips, and I just cut it and put it in one place to look it better. Oh my God. So this is pretty good, like learning new things. And if you don't know what is a drone, then search Wikipedia, search. Okay, what do we have on GBP USD? Okay, price did close bullish, you can say, even though it's not that much volume, but yeah. And even on 30 minute on GBP, GPY as well. So, okay, looking at the 1 hour and 4 hour. Uh, Now the thing is like taking a trade on this one, it's gonna be pretty hard because this is the last 30 minute of this candle. And yeah, nice shot. Thank you. Like I would love to. So, I do like to do what we call cinematic shots and doing vlog stuff, but I don't have time to be honest. I cannot record everything every day and edit it at the same time. But maybe in the future, maybe in the future. So why did you transition from prop firm to live trading? So first of all, prop firms provide demo accounts and you need to, trade phase one, phase two, and then go to phase three, which will be the live account, right? So what happened when you trade demo accounts? I'm not against the prop firm, to be honest. Let me tell you guys that prop firms are the best thing to have in this industry. Only reason I'm saying this is because people who do not have capital, right now, even I have a 700 or $800, but that capital I can put into prop firm and get a 100K account. Okay. Yeah, I can trade that. I know that I can pass in 1 or 2 months, but but first of all, I would like to prove myself that on a live account or like this one, I can make consistent growth for like 2 months or 3 months. Okay. Then I can say, okay, I see some better results. Now I'd like to give a try with the profit I have earned from this live account through prop firms. Okay. That's my way of learning things. And another thing with the prop firm is like as you mentioned that being being patient and like wait is little bit hard when we are with bigger capital, to be honest. So when you trade a like 100K funded account, you pass the phase one, you get excited that I passed the phase one because you achieve a target that was 50% people can't do it. Okay. You go to phase two and you achieve that too. When you go to phase three, that's the real challenge for you because phase one and phase two, most of people fail that. They do not even pass phase one and phase two. Okay. I can say 90% of the people have failed it. The rest of the 10% reach the phase three. And from that 5% people can, get the first withdrawal. So only 5%. You understand my words here. So I think if you first go with a personal capital, Trade with it 1 or 2 months, and if you see a consistent results, then I think you will get more confidence on the 100K account, like trading with them. So which is like I think good. So that's my point of view. Okay, so and guys, if you can share this live stream to the people, we will create a better community. And trust me, when I say better community, I will do it. Okay, I will. There is no fucking doubt about it because I have spent my last 5 years learning the skills, and I think now I'm ready to, put my face out there and learn more through live streams and from each and everyone in this industry. Brother, what's your name? Like, I had never asked you. Sorry about that. So, I don't know. For your current channel name is Daigma of Crypto. So, yeah, what's your real name? Where are you from? Let's let's do some. Ooh, look at this. What do we have on? If price stay below this zone, sales will be a good opportunity. Like how much pips I can get out of this trade? $15 risk, $15 profit, 101 risk to reward. Okay, okay, we have nice amount of volume here, but I guess I will wait till New York session today because I do not think so that we might not find a good trade in London session. So yeah, what kind of a news we have today? Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. What do we have? We have at 6 p.m. So that's like after how many hours? It's two, I think 5 hours or so. Like yeah, we have core retail sales forecast is the point is the same as the last one. So at 6 p.m. we might expect a little bit of volume for price to at least move a nice way. And 6:45 we have more news as FMC, Alchemist picks. Okay. Ooh, tomorrow is USD bank holiday. So we might not see any volume tomorrow on gold. 18 minutes left, I guess. We're gonna wait. I guess. Okay. I'll make a call and be back. Okay. I'll be back. Let me just write it down so people understand. I will be back in 15 minutes. Okay. I'll be back in 15. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna put it here. So, Chad, I'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, people. Sorry for that. It took me like a little bit of time, but yeah, it was an important thing. So what do we have here? Price did break below a little bit, but as the new 4 hour candle just started, we are seeing some. Okay, price is still respecting these lows, so we're gonna mark that out. Price is still respecting the lows of the previous 4 hour candle, which is good. Okay, and what do we have? Okay. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, no topic at the previous 4 hour 1 hour candle. So you might create that 30-minute candle. Yeah. So to take a sell, we would like to see a retracement till here and then continuation to the downside. Okay. Remember, we are still gonna take the sells. No, what you call other buys or something like that. We're gonna take the sells, but we're gonna wait for a retracement. Sorry for that. I don't know my tongue sometimes cannot pronounce things well. So yeah. Okay, what do we have on GBP USD? New 4 hour candle just started doing some retracement of the previous resistance. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we're breaking the highs of the previous candle. 30-minute candle looking bullish, 15-minute candle rejecting and closing. Oh, okay. What do we have on GBP JPY? 4 hour candle did close bullish and above this area. So next candle should be, if it breaks above this high, then we might take buys. And if it does not, then we need, if for taking sells at this moment, we need to see a closure below this area. Okay. So if price close below this area, then we might take sells and continue till next zone. Okay. And if it breaks the high, then we're gonna put the entry at this point. So this is a really good opportunity over here to take sells, but it's little bit confusing as well as the new forum handle just started and not it's been like how many minutes? 5? Oh, sorry, I mean like 30 minutes. It's not even been 30 minutes. Yeah, the last 5 minutes of the 30-minute candle. So wait a second, let me just see when it started. Okay. Ooh, I think views just skyrocketed for some reason on live stream. Did someone just start promoting our channel or what? Did any of you guys promote it? Huh. Yeah. Oh, look at that. So yeah, this was I'm talking about like this could easily flip the candle and we can take the sells and we put stop loss above. Should we take a buy? Should we take a sell? I mean, let's do the analysis again. Okay. Daily candle did break the high of the previous candle at this point. So we might flip bullish as well, you know. Oh, okay. So yeah, I think it's a risky trade as well. At the same time, if this 4 hour candle did flip bearish, you might see continuation till here. Okay, break of the structures might take $10 to $15 on this trade. Nope, I'm not gonna take the trade. I don't think so. I'll wait for the next candle to open up on 30-minute time frame before taking any trade. Same for gold. I'm gonna wait for this candle to be closed before taking any trade. Yeah, see the same structure as a GBP USD. Okay, people, tell me, what are we doing today? What you guys are up to? What are you looking at? What pairs? What trades have you taken? Let's see some answers. We have 3 minutes left for 30-minute closure. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Oh my God. No chat, no reply, nothing. And I'm disappointed from you guys. Like, you didn't even answer me. I might cry right now. Do you want me to cry? Okay, let's do a poll that what do you guys think about the gold? Go up or go down? Let's see. Okay. And I mean, like, tell your opinion about gold. Will it go up continuously or will it go down? We have 1 minute 50 seconds. Let's see. I'll see if your opinions are good or not while taking a trade. Should I take the trade on your opinions, guys? We got one answer saying price will go down. Okay, let's see. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. I think so too. The price will go down. So I think we have around like 24 seconds left for this 30-minute candle to closed, and we see how the next candle does react. Oh, we got another answer saying price will go up. Ooh, we have a tie here. So let's see if we get another answer saying price will go down or up. Okay. So there is one guy on buy, one guy on sell. Let's see. Ooh, new candle just started, guys. Two, 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 two. Okay. We still have a 50-50 on up and down. So if we get a better answers from any of you, let's see. Tell us your opinion, prediction on gold. We might take entry based on that. We might, you know. Like I'm not gonna risk a lot of capital. Okay, we got six viewers, guys. Like, just you just need to click on the up or down. So tell us your opinion. It's not gonna be that hard. Like, okay, I guess I'm gonna check the 30-minute candle. How it's moving. We are seeing a little bit of momentum, not yet much though. Where's my favorite guy? Like, is he here? Like, what was his name? Qazi Zain? Yeah, something like that. Qazi or Zain. Yeah, are you here, my guy? It looks like that he is not here. Price is moving up. Price is moving down. And so, how many minutes? This is a new 15-minute candle, guys. And if we do close below, so I think 4 hour will candle will break the low of the 1 hour will break the low of the previous candle as well. Okay, I'm gonna end the poll now because I think I have given like 5 minutes and we got 50-50%. The price will move up or down. There are only two votes. So I really thank you people who have voted on that. And we're gonna take the cells because I was with the cell and there's another guy, so I guess cells win. So for the guy who was taking a bias, well, we need to rethink about it. Okay. Because I do not see in this scenario that we should take buys, to be honest. Yeah, prices are the support, okay, but at this point, there is no more confirmation for taking buys. If even if you go to a higher time frame like daily and more 4 hours, so let's take a look. Okay, daily is breaking the low of the previous candle, which gives us a first confirmation that price will continue going down. 4 hour candles, there is a huge bearish candle. So if this candle do break the low of the previous candle, second confirmation that price will break the lows and continue going down. Same for 1 hour and 30-minute time frame. So what do we have here? Like if we take this trade, our stop loss will be like $21. That's 42 pips in order to target around 55 pips. Okay. So that's our trade. What do we have on GBP USD? What are we doing? Ooh, okay, the remaining candle did close, bearish. Interesting. No, I'm still not convinced yet to take sales on this one, Should we be convinced? Like, take a look here. You know why I'm not convinced? Because if we need to take a sales, this 30-minute candle should go up, break the highs, and then flip bearish. So that would be the chance that I would have convinced myself to take the sales on this one, but not now. See, that's what I'm talking about. Right now, we are seeing the same thing on this one, on gold, I mean, but I'm still not gonna take buys, okay? I'm gonna wait for some period of time, see how the price is reacting, because you know what I mentioned when I came back that we should see retracement till here. Okay. If we see the 50% retracement before taking sells, then yeah, amazing trade. Hmm. Sorry, do I trade crypto or hold cryptocurrency? I mean, so for crypto market, like I cannot say I have not tried. Yes, I did try trading markets, but the things that I found is like crypto is really unpredictable market. The reason I'm saying that because there is not much economics behind it. Like I cannot say that price will go up at this time when this happens. Okay, so it's and if we are talking about the technical analysis, trust me, like I have tried trading using technical analysis and it doesn't work. I think from my experience, it doesn't work for me. And another thing I can say, I have not gotten a lot of knowledge, you can say, in this field. So I'm not the right guy to ask about the crypto things. If you want to know about crypto, I think there's a guy. What was his name? I don't know what was his name, but yeah, there's one guy who knows really good, who holds really good knowledge about the cryptocurrencies. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, okay, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah. So, what do we have? We are still waiting, I guess. Price are still respecting the low of the previous 4 hour and 1 hour candle, not broken below. 30-minute candle is now flipping bullish, you can say. So, another thing I was checking is like if you take a look at the weekly time frame, that we had a huge bullish candle and now we are doing the 50% retracement. So what I'm expecting is that if this weekly candle do flip bullish and break the highs of the previous candle, which is this one. So let's remark the lows for weekly and then go to daily time frame, marking the lows. This one, 4 hour time frame. So what do we have? Okay, so this is the lows. I see. Interesting. Oh, okay. So if this candle do break the lows, I still like to see that price should break these lows as well before taking the trades because this week had a huge rejection at this point. So I think I'm gonna wait for this break of the lows, and if it does and doesn't it didn't reject and price close below this area, I will go for the sell. And now let's say price is making a support and price reject and break this resistance. Okay, then we might had a really good entry for buying. But that's a, like in really rare scenario that it happens. But yeah, we're gonna see what it does. So the guy who was voting for buys, so I would like to see if your buys are correct. And for USD, see now the 15-minute candle or 30-minute candle, you can say flip bullish and going up. So sells are not valid yet. And for taking buys, I mean, no. How did your parents and spouse react when you started training? So, interesting. I mean, like, if I talk about my parents, they still don't understand half of the things that I do. Okay. And yeah, my father do know that I do trading, but if you are born in an Indian culture and Indian environment, then here people thinking is like investing is like a scam, you can say. The only reason they think this is because, people have started investing and they have lost money. So it because like this market is like you can be a rich in one night and you can be a poor guy in one night. So sometimes you just need to know like when you need to take the risk and when you do not need to take the risk. Okay. And here people do not understand. But right now I can say it depends on the environment that you have grown in. So based on my story is like my dad does know that I do trading and they do not object it. They in the start they did, but they seen that I can earn money through it and I'm good at it. So they never questioned it. And so basically that's it. So it's all about like if you can earn through it, then I don't think so. No one, anyone will question you that why do you do these things? Okay. And another thing that I understand is like money isn't a really important thing when you have no financial background. You can say you do not have any strong financial background, like your father does not own any houses, properties, or anything. So sometimes this could be means that you need to grow it out, like you need to push it. You need to be the person that you know can bring this stuff to your family. Okay. What's your name, brother? Like the guy Igma of the crypto. What's your name? I mean, look at this. Like price have rejected this area so many times, and after that, it's now flipping bullish. So if you take a look at the okay, 4 hours is looking good. Now it's flipping bullish. Take a look at the daily time frame. Nice. Weekly. Okay, nice. So here's the thing, guys. I think I might get into this trade route. Okay, I'm gonna take a buy here with 0.10, and I'm gonna put my stop loss exactly below this wick, and TP will be above these areas. I'm gonna take this one, this trade today. Because I think we had a lot of confirmation. We waited, price did break below, above, sorry, and rejected so many times here. Okay. And looking at the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour candle have flipped bullish. So this gives us to second confirmation. So I think this trade is going to be a good one. So yeah, and I think my target is a little bit too high, but yeah, go with for 50 pips today on this trade. For gold, I think we are still waiting because, as I said, in London session we might not see that much volume, but in New York session we might get a good amount of volume. So we're gonna wait. Okay. So ask your question if you have any questions in the meantime. And yeah, right now our trade is on GBP JPY buys. Even if you take a look at the 15-minute time frame, take a look. Okay, price created high, rejected, rejected. Okay, now it's going up. So I think this is going to be a good one. So let's say if this price do continue going up, then this might be our trade. Even if we target just the highs of the candle, like this much, still $10. Okay, but based on 1 hour and 4 hour, I think price might go up a little bit more. So that's why I'm targeting this highs. Let's see at least. So yeah, yep, this is a good target because even if price need to flip bearish again, okay, for this 4 hour candle to go up, break this highs and find a rejection point, which could be this one and this one. So if we can close the earliest, so that's good, right? Let me know your opinion on this trade. So we'll take a look at 30-minute candle. Gold is nicely flipping bearish again, but we need to see a closure below these areas before taking buys or sells. We have 5 minutes left for 1 hour candle to close and 4 hour candle to be closed. Sorry, 1 hour and 30 minutes only. 4 hour will we have still have 3 hours. I mean, it just been an hour for that candle. So, so this is going to be interesting if this 1 hour candle close like this, huh? Because take a look. If this candle close like this, next candle could go up, break the highs, and still we might see sells. If we still respect this lows before going up, huh? If it break the lows first, then that's a tricky one. So let's see, we have 4 minutes left. In the meantime, if you have any questions, let us know. What broker do I use? I use Dominion Market right now, but the only reason I'm using Dominion Market is because it have a better spreads. You can see here, right? 1.3, 1.4 on GBP, JPY. We have 1.1 on gold. So just because better spreads, it's a good broker. Yeah. The huge thing is like we know the owner. Okay. I have done a podcast with the Raja Bank and I know him personally, so which is good and really good guy. So if you don't know, you can check out the podcast through my YouTube channel. Just go to the channel and you'll find out. We have around 2 minutes left. 1 hour candle is flipping bearish. Let me show you guys, right? I'll show you. Yeah, you see here, this is me. This is me and him. We done a really good podcast, which was really good one. So yeah. If you want to check it out, here's the link. We have 1 minute left for 1 hour candle to be closed. Let's see. Tell me. I think in a minute the candle will be closed. Looking at the GBP, GPY, let's see how this reacts. 30 seconds. So now the next candle do break the lows. I mean, taking sells will be really hard on gold at the moment. So, ooh, look at that. In the last 15 seconds, price is reaching the support level and trying to break the lows. We have five, four, three, two, one, and boom. New 30-minute candle started. New 4 hour candles. I'm sorry, 1 hour candle started just now. Okay, just now. Really nice. Price is trying to. Okay, we have this. There's a huge bearish candle. So now taking sells is still I'm not yet because the only reason I'm not yet confirm there's much confirmation because there is the two wicks over here that's nearby areas and price may reject those areas before going up. So I think I will see closer below that area before taking sells. And on GBP JPY we had a 1 hour closure. Looking at the 30-minute time frame and 1 hour time frame, what we need on this 30-minute candle is to push really hard and go up, you know. So, oh, look at that. Like, price is still respecting this lows, huh? This 30-minute candle is still respecting the lows and rejecting and going up. Now, now if even I'm looking for buys, I'm still waiting for price to break above this big for GBP JPY. I think we cannot do much here. Price is respecting, not breaking below or above. I have seen one. Okay, we are seeing some. buying pressure. So if this 50-minute closes above this area, or next candle break the high of this 15-minute previous candle, then we can consider taking buys and a retracement till here. That's still 30 pips or so. 1 hour is still respecting lows. Okay. What did we do wrong here? The price is playing out this way right now. I think we should have waited for price to get out of this consolidation zone before taking the buys. If I have waited for this 15-minute candle to be closed, then it might be good, which I didn't. So I think I'm gonna take the loss at this point, but we might see rejection still because there are a lot of them here. And anyway, we have a second entry point on gold. So let's see what we got on gold for NY session. How long it's been since we went doing live? It's been almost 2 hours for our live session. Okay. So on gold, we won't make the mistake that we did on GBP JPY, that we will wait for price to get out of this consolidation zone before taking buys or adding sells. Till then, wait and watch. Oh. Hmm. I was just about to, lose my monitor. Uh, so GBP JPY prices like strongly approaching the zone. Let's see. Like, have you watched those videos on Instagram? Like a guy just lose like whole amount of full capital of his trading account, and he just start breaking the laptops and computer whatever he have. And I would just like to do it like, but no, I have not lost the capital or something, so there's no need for that right now. Huh? I mean, like we have been waiting for quite some time to take this trade, which is take those trade. Like we had analysis on gold, GBP USD, and GBP JPY. So we have taken one trade on GBP JPY, but like it's not working that good. So yeah, I think it might get hit our stop loss, but that's a big might because there are too many rejections. But at the same times, it have not broken above two. So for gold, we are waiting for sells or either buys above this area, which we have not getting any confirmation. So this is going to be a pretty like big live stream. Like it's been already 2 hours. So it's been already 2 hours. Yeah, that is an accent, I guess. An Indian accent. I don't know it's an Indian accent or not, but yeah, it's pretty hilarious. Let's take a look at the 5 minute time frame. What are we seeing? Okay, this is a pretty huge, bearish movement compared to these ones we've seen. So yeah, and take a look. Price made a high, came back, made a low, respecting the highs still. So lows as well, breaking the lows, breaking the highs here, but now it's came down to respect the lows, or it can break down to. So we're gonna see what it does. We're gonna see on. Okay, okay. Are you going to manually close the trade? Not yet. Not yet. I'm not thinking of closing trade right now because I think I'm gonna wait for it to hit the stop loss. The only reason I'm saying that because my stop loss are too tight. It's only like how many pips? It's only 78 pips, and I do not think that there is any way I could close partial on my losses right now. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna wait. Price might get rejection, and this 30 minute can easily flip bullish in next 15 minutes because we have around how many 1 minute left for this new 15-minute candle to close and new to start. So taking a look at the GBP USD, we have price movement is like respecting these areas and still rejecting. So no trade. I do not think so. I will take any trade on this one right now because we already have taken one trade on. So there's a rule of mine is like either I can trade, I can only take two trades. One can be on gold and other can be either on GBP USD or on GBP JPY. I cannot take more than two trades a day. Okay. So and there is a rule like I cannot actually. So I'm gonna respect that, follow my plan, and be with it. Can you 15-minute candle? Let's start it just now. So let's see how this 15-minute candle do react because you can see this all the 15-minute candle have been respecting this support. If this one do break below and break the lows, we might see a rejection or might see the continuation of doing going down. For 30-minute time, I'm sorry, for gold on 15-minute time frame, we are seeing an interesting movement. So we cannot take any trade yet. So yeah, we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait if the price do break above or below. Wait for that. So the price is like coming up, but yeah, not that yet. We are still in the trade, so we're gonna see how it's I think I'll take the trade on gold. So I need to wait to see my setup. I need to wait like if the price either break above this areas or below. I want a candle closure, So even if we get a break below this 4 hour, whatever is it, yeah, 4 hour wick, then it's still a good confirmation for me. So I'm just gonna wait for that. So okay, 50 minutes candle is rejecting, but yet we have no closure above this resistance, so we're gonna wait. I'm gonna see if prices break above two. Okay, I think we have finally enough volume to, I guess, break the lows. But if we does break the low on gold, then I'm still waiting for price to break this wick low before take trading trades. Mhm. Ooh, okay. So let's go to daily time frame. What do we have? Price might break the low here for 4 hour time frame. I think we're gonna break the low. Interesting. So if we do break this low, then we have another confirmation we need is this daily candle low to be broke broken. Yeah. So for 1 hour candle, we are breaking the low of the previous candle already. So if we see price to break this low, then taking trade will be a good option. We have 8 minutes left. So in 8 minutes, I want this candle to be closed below this area to for our next 30-minute candle to go above little bit and break the lows. So for 30 minute for GBP JPY on 15-minute time frame, we have 7 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close, and we have respected this lows here. So I'm expecting if price to break the highs, we are still good to go on this trade. Man, I think I need a coffee. Can anyone bring me some coffee, please? Oh my God. Should I go and get a coffee, guys? Should I? Ooh, okay, we are breaking the lows for 4 hour candle here. We had somebody. Okay, we have broken the low of 4 hour candle. Interesting, interesting. 6 minutes left. So this next 5 minute candle will be a really important one because we want that candle to be closed below. If it close at the, above this line or at the same point, then the staking cells will be a really risky one. 5 minutes left. me patiently watching my trades to, you know, make the setup for us so I can take the trade and go home. 20-second left for a new 5 minute candle to start. Okay, new 5 minute candle just started. Interesting. We are seeing some volume over here. We are seeing some volume. Ooh, look at that. Should we take the sell? Should we take the sell? Or we should wait for candle to be closed? Okay, let's take 0.05. But wait a second. I think I'm gonna wait 4 minutes because this have happened before with me that tries to break the lows, and this 30 minute will close above this area, which we do not need because we have like enough range for this price to continue going down. So we're gonna wait, okay? So we're gonna wait. What do we have on GBP JPY? Yeah, this is looking good. If we break the highs, yeah, this is going to be a good trade then. But I'm gonna still wait for the 3 minute. If this closure we have is below this area, we are good. We are good to go. Guys, if we win this gold and GBP JPY trade, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this live stream. And if you're watching after, this live stream is done in the rest of the days, then I would still appreciate if you do subscribe to the channel. Okay, we are nearly breaking the highs over here. We are approaching it. We have 2 minutes left. Let's see in 2 minutes if we can break the highs. GJ, you can do it. Oh, let me get something. The- I will recreate the meme like saying like guys like blowing wind saying yeah you can go up. Ooh, see, this is what we didn't need. Ultimate candle is like now closing above. We don't need that. Guys tell gold that should close below this area. You know, this is not good. This is not acceptable because we need to wait another 30 minutes if it close above. Okay, I think we have last 1 minute and 30 seconds left. 1 minute and 30 seconds. I think GJ did break the highs. Let's see. Yeah, it did. Amazing. Now we're gonna wait. Now we're gonna wait and see if the next 30-minute candle respect those highs and continue going up, which we need. Okay. And for gold, we are coming back down. We have the last 1 minute candle. So if we see a closure below this wick and the next 30-minute candle open, then I'll go to 15-minute time frame. And I think I'll take an immediate sell. but we need a closure below that point, huh? 18 seconds. Okay, this is going to be in like five, four, three, two, one. Oh, guys did closed at the point. So taking cells is going to be hard. You know what can happen is like, okay, I think I'm gonna see if this new 15-minute candle, how does it react? And based on that, I think I'm gonna take the trade. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, I'm here. I'm here. What did I miss? So GJ, new 30-minute candle. It started break the high. Oh, we break the high immediately, which is not good. Which is not good. But yeah, we're gonna see. So for 15-minute candle. Okay. Hmm. If this 5-minute candle closes below this area, then we can, see if we can take the cells. Okay. So we're gonna wait for 5-minute candle now. Okay, okay. How many minutes we have left? 1 minute and 55 seconds left for this 5-minute candle to be closed below this area, which is a really less likely a confirmation. But this is going to be a risky trade based on what I think. So, guys, if you want to lower your risk, be my guest. You can, surely. For GJ, yeah, 30-minute candle. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. So if we now come back down because look at this, guys, I have broken above this area, and if it's coming back to the range, then I'm confused about this straight one right now. Okay, how many did the 5-minute candle it closed? Nope, we have 1 minute still. So waiting 1 minute 57 seconds, I guess. So we need the closure below this area for us to take the trade continuation. Let's take a look if we are not looking at any rejection. We are looking at some rejection. 27 seconds left for us to take the trade. So what I'm expecting, if this candle do close like this below this areas, then I'm thinking like next candle should go up a little bit and break the lows of the previous 5 minute candle, which gives us a better confirmation for price to move down. So that would be my trade. My risk will be 0.10. Oh shit, no wick at the bottom. But yeah, if price move back up and come back down, then we can still take the trade. We need the close break below this 5 minute candle. So if we get that, we will take the sells, okay? Let me just drag and drop here. Okay, we have a sell position ready. Our stop loss will be exactly. Let's put a stop loss based on 30-minute time frame. $37. Mm. Uh, Keep in mind, guys, our trade is not yet active. So I think I'm gonna target around 20. We can see there is a clean with the lowest. So if we are risking around, let's say $37, I think targeting $40 is a one-to-one risk to reward and a better entry point. Our trade is active now. So what do we see? Price is moving nicely. Amazing. What do we have on GBP JPY? Okay. Is this 15-minute candle which will be closing 8 minute? We want this candle to close at least above this support or resistance. So our two trades that we have been waiting for 2 hours, I guess, already have been executed. Now we just what we need is like price to move nicely in our favor, and yeah, we can go with the nice small profit. Okay, price have break the low on 15-minute time frame as well as on 30-minute time frame. Our stop loss was previous candle high. So if it's respecting this area, as long as it's respecting this area, we are good. Okay. GJ is still like not showing much of a sign that price should continuously go in a right direction. Get looking at the 30-minute time frame, we are good. Okay, now we will just wait. Ask a question if you have any question. we can take partials. We can take. I'm planning to take partials when price down this area. Okay, and I'll let the run. Okay, so yeah, I'm just updating you guys so you know when I take partials. Okay, people. Let's see. Okay, I think we are waiting for this 30-minute candle to flip bullish, the price to continue going up. No, I would have taken buys if we have seen after this bullish candle, if I have seen that price is still consolidating till New York open, then I would have taken immediately executed buys because I think price will continue go up in New York session. But now already we have broken this daily and 4 hour candle, which gives us more confirmation that price will continue go up, go down. So in New York session, in New York session volume, I'm expecting that price will continue going down till this lows. So yeah, and I think if we execute it at the same time, if you all do sell, if you have taken a trade with me, then we have a good amount of. And you can see like 60%, 65% of the client have taken a sell, 35% have taken a buy. Interesting, right? Like how many people are selling right now? Keep in mind if you are trading a funded account or maybe a bigger capital than me, then I think for you guys, if you are, even if you take like 20 to 30 pips, here it's better, okay? The only reason my target is bigger is because I have a smaller account and if I see a better trade, which I have waited for quite a long time, so I think I will take it and I will wait for that setup to play out. What do we have on GU? Ooh, look at that. Price consolidated, now rejecting, now going back down. Oh my God. Ooh, I didn't expect that. So quite quick. So whenever like there's this really huge move from like here to directly here, it's like I drop down to smaller time frame to manage things. just to see what the price is doing now. Because what can be happening here is price will move quickly till this area around, let's say, let me manage things here. So yeah, what I'm expecting is to take partials here and let the rest run till this area. Look at this 30-minute candle on GJ. We are, I think, flipping bullish. So okay, that is a new 15-minute candle just started, which is respecting the previous zone, so which is good. And now this 15-minute candle can flip bullish, go up nicely, which could be an amazing trade as well. So I think on five, there's a new 15-minute candle too. Yeah. So if this if this candle break the lows here, I think I'll move my stop loss till here. Okay. Between it. Okay, let's just move it here. So that's 29 pips right now, $30 loss. Currently, we are up around 1% on our trade. Okay, look at that. Amazing. We're breaking the lows. As I said, I will take my partials at this point. But if this candle do a retest, then I think we need to wait a lot of time. But if it doesn't and it just continue going down, as 30-minute candle have broken the, high of that candle, I'm gonna move my stop loss exit area, which is $10 now. To be honest, I think we still have 12 minutes left for 30-minute candle to close. And I do not like what I see on 15-minute time frame. Is that price break below? Now it's rejecting. So that's what I don't like. Most of the time, price do up, get up, and this will count as a fake out. Okay. Interesting voice. Interesting. Like, should I think I'm gonna take the risk and wait for 11 minutes for this candle to close because I'd like to take the risk. Because what I'm looking on a 15-minute time frame is that this candle might be a fake out, in 12 minutes it can reject, reverse, and go back up. So that's a big might on that. So we're gonna wait and see how these candles are reacting. And for GBP JPY, I think we had a really good breakout, break the highs of the previous candles. So I'm still really positive about this trade. be positive about this trade. See, as I'm saying, like look at this 15-minute candle. But other thing is like we have 10 minutes left. So let's see how does it react in next 10 minutes when we see. As the 15-minute candle have broken the highs of the candle, technically I should have moved my stop loss below this candle, but I cannot do it. The only reason is because there's a consolidation area and price might come back down, touch these zones before going up. So I think this is a stronger, what we call stop loss than the here. Ooh, I think we are back to the entry point on gold. Even if this 30-minute candle stay below this area, which is a good sign that price next candle can continue going down, but we see. So we see about it. Because the way I'm looking at it right now, there's not much positive signs. Okay, look at this. I think today is like a lot of consolidation day. So we should not have taken the trade, I guess. Because look at this GBP USD. The only reason didn't wanted to take a trade on this one is because I thought it might go into really consolidation mode. So then on GJ, I taken the trade based on the like 4 hour time frame, you can say. So yeah, right now our stop loss and everything is like pretty tight on it. So let's see. We are losing around $10 and in order to target around $20. So that's 1 to 2 days to reward, which is good on this trade based on gold. If you take a look at the 4 hour daily time frame and everything, price have broken the lows of the previous candle. It's a really good trend and we're following our plan. So if this goes wrong, then we will consider and we will see what was the mistake that we did. We have 1 hour left for New York session to start. Okay, we have 5 minutes left for this 30-minute candle to close. Let's see. Sorry. Okay. We have 1 minute, 40 seconds left. Let's see. Let's see how does the price react in the last minute. Fifty-four seconds left. Okay, new 30-minute candle just started. Looking at this right now, let's see how does it react. New 1 hour candle just started. Pretty amazing. No bottom wick at the moment, so I would like to see a bottom wick on this one. On gold, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. Price is looking good. The only reason I'm saying it because is still respecting the daily lows that have been broken. So if we do a small retest still here, I'm fine with that, and it should continue going down till our entry point. If you have not taken an entry yet on gold, this could be your opportunity to get in again and continue with the trade. Same for like GBP, JPY as well. Yeah, if you have not taken a trade, I think this could be your entry point too. As this price is breaking highs and all. Let's see. We've been streaming for almost 3 hours, and like who knows that we will go that long. Let's go. Yeah, I think as price has been respecting this area, there are already two rejection at this point, and price have broken above. So I'm gonna move my stop loss till so exactly like this area, exactly below this candle. Okay, gold is moving pretty nice here. So our this is a really good setup too. So partial point to take the partials is this. Okay, we'll take partial here. I think I would like to take another risky trade right now, but should I? How much pips will I get? Interesting. So if this is a 5 minute candle to close below this area, we're gonna wait for 46 seconds with a better confirmation. I'm gonna take a small risky trade here, but we need closure below this area for that to happen. And for gold, my stop loss to above this area. Okay, so that's right now I'm risking around 15 pips, and with that, I think if 5 minute candle just started, we are still at the lows. If we break this lows, that could be our sell entry point. So if we break this lows, if it's lows, then our target is this, and our stop loss is this above. Okay. Uh, just you guys to take the trade this one because this is a risky trade based on what I think. So once it's broken the low, I'm gonna move my stop loss above these areas. Okay, that's my stop loss. Okay, so this is a really risky trade. Right now, what I have taken is because I feel like that's my gut saying that I have seen this setup so many times that price will at least continue till our partials. Okay, while just breaking these lows. So on that basis, I'm counting that if we break this lows, I'm gonna take another trade and we are good to go. Because you okay. For me, this above trade what I have taken is like right now break me, that's break even. Okay. Our other trade just got ended. Let's see. We are in the trade right now. Another sell on gold. We are breaking the lows. Did 30-minute candle broke the low? Or we're gonna break the low now? If we break the lows, we will continue going up or continue going down. Okay, something just happened. I think, yeah, my that was just like, yeah. So as I was saying that I'm moving stop loss on G at this point, $5, and we're gonna let the trade run. Okay, pretty tight stop loss, but yeah, let's see. I'm minimizing my risk on GJ because I did increase my risk on gold. Okay, so now whatever if we even break above this area, I'll exactly move my stop loss at break even on GJ, and I will let that trade run. If it hit our break BE, then we are break even. So no problem with that. I would like to see if the gold is playing out nicely. We have 5 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. Gold is rejecting now. Not good for our entry point. Oh, this 5 minute candle is like now rejecting both areas and going back up. If we see a break above this area, then price might be bullish today. But we still have for some period of time left, like how many minutes? 3 minutes left for this candle to be closed. If this candle close at least bearish, then we might have some chances that price may continue going down. So let's see. For GJ, we are still in a consolidation point. I think taking trades on GJ is like pointless because it doesn't move much sometimes. Ooh, okay. Now here's the thing. We are losing, okay, and we need to manage our risk at this point because on 5 minute time frame, how many minutes do we have left? 2 minutes and 30 seconds. And for me to wait that long, so somehow, okay, I'm gonna move stop loss exactly above the daily candle just in case if it just retests those only. Because I have a feeling that smaller time frame will do retest on that zones. So let's play on that. Okay. This is an risky one to be honest. I just need the closure on 15 minute. That is in 1 minute, 1 minute, and same for the 30 minute time frame. 30 minute time frame, we have still 15 minutes left. So price may get bearish again. Oh, at that volume. Where did it come from? Did we enter in New York session or what? Oh, we have still time. I think we're gonna lose. I think we're gonna hit the loss today. We have 50 seconds left. Guys, give me a minute. I'm having a call. Okay, I'm back. So, yeah. Okay, new 15-minute candle started. Now, this is going to be tough. Like, most likely, if for the next candle to be at least go down. So what I'm thinking here, is what would like to see is if this candle do break this highs, okay? If we see a break of the highs, at the same time, we need to see an immediate rejection for price to flip bearish, which is pretty less to be, without hitting our stop loss with the spread. Ooh, okay. We are in a really tough position. We cannot even move our stop loss more than this one. A lot of this today. What did we 30-minute candle is flipping totally. 50-minute candle flip bearish. A 5-minute time frame breaking the highs, retesting this areas. No wick at the top bottom. So that's a good like if there's no wick at the bottom, price may, you know, reject and completely go down. But as I said, for it to go down, we need to see that it tries to okay. We have 3 minutes left. If this candle do at least flip bearish, then that's good for price to continue going down. But if it doesn't flip bearish, then then I think most likely we'll lose this trade if it doesn't flip bearish in the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes. GJ is moving pretty nice, pretty nice. In 2 minutes, if the candle flip, that's still good. But if it doesn't flip, oh, we are done for the day. Okay, we are approaching the highs. We have 1 minute left, guys. So if this candle doesn't flip bearish, then most likely I need to manage my risk on the trades. Ooh, look at that so close. Eventually it will the target it did. So we lost around $30 today. Let's take a look on a 4 hour and daily and weekly time frame. First of all, what did we mistake? That what was our mistake on this point? Okay. Oh yeah. So for me, according to me, a mistake was that we have taken trade while respecting this zone for some reason. Even on a smaller time frame. Let's say we had a break. We have prices respecting this zone here. Hmm. GJ has been moving nicely. So what do we have on 30 minute here? 1 hour candle is like flipping bullish totally. So it did break the lows. It now flipped bullish. So what we did is like I think we shouldn't have added our risk today. We lost $36. Yeah. I think this I think trend is reversing because what we have price broke the lows, went down, and still didn't continue going up. Now that is an interesting way, something interesting. So our trade. So if we have taken an immediate sell when the price break, and we should have closed around $30 still, but when we took a trade, it was just like smaller than what we updated. Well, I look at that. So for today, we have lost around $56. Too high of a risk. Too high of a risk. So what's the reason that we lost today? First, that I increased my risk, which was really not in good opinion. Okay. And I think we have no problem. We can recover this one. But the only thing that I think I'm concerned is like why did we increase the risk? I shouldn't have increased the risk at this point. So for GJ, our targets are the same, the highs of this area, and we are still in the trade. But for gold, price is reversing. So if 4 hour candle is flipping bullish, then I think we might see some. How long we have seen? Oh shit! Yeah, we have half an hour left for New York session to start. So I guess we wait for the New York session before we take any trades. Look at that. Was this a retracement or was this a change of the trend? That's a big question because now if the price do flip bullish, price could easily go up till how much? Interesting. So yeah, I think we are done for the day. We won't take any much trades. We have one trade running, which is on JPY. We'll let that run. I'm still here right now for some minutes, or you can say half hour, because I would like to see the volume on gold, and I would like to see if my trade was not right, or maybe I should have waited for the New York session. That's the only question I have. So let's see if we see some really good volume in New York session. We're gonna wait for that. Are you going to hold to the 813 news? I mean, GJ, yes, I'm gonna hold right now because if it flip and break this highs, then we can see continuation till our TP, you can say. So most likely I'm gonna wait. Okay. Besides that, on gold, I have already closed. I mean, it already hit our stop loss, so we've already taken the loss. So I don't think so. So if the 4 hour candle here is flipping bullish on gold right now, then this could be a good opportunity for take buys, but I don't think so. I would like to take any buys at this moment, you know. So if we break above and close above this area, then taking buys could be an opportunity. But no, I don't think so. I would take any buys on this one. Looking at the GJ, still in consolidation zone, and sorry, GU consolidation zone, GJ. Yeah, it's moving, but it's really slow. So we're gonna wait and see. And 8:30, brother, that's like, let me see, like, all right, 8:30, which time do you mean by GBP, GPY news? That will be like 12 hours, right? Sorry. So 30-minute and 15-minute candle did close, no top wick. Interesting. Same for GJ, 30-minute candle did closed, which is bearish. Okay, interesting point. Or 15-minute, yep. Okay, okay. Did forward click bullish? Okay, yeah, forward candle is flipping bullish. So 30-minute candle going up with no top wick. If, if we can at least, target the highs, that's still $30. Pretty good trade can be taken, but we will not take any trade. So for the week, we are down for $43 again. Do you intend to revenge your trade? Obviously not. It was like I have an opportunity, but I do not think so. I would like to. For close, I think GG we will hit stop loss too. So today was a really bad day, but yeah, it was just a day. So let's see where it will take us by the end of the month. Okay, but yeah. So we started with like 800, and currently we are down 71. Yeah, I mean GJ is consolidating, but when we taken the trade on 15-minute time frame, as you seen that this was the consolidating area, right? But right now this is the consolidating area. So I guess nothing to say here. So I mean I can just close the trade and go home done for the day. But I like to wait and see how it react because anyway I'm risking $5, so no problem with that. But for gold, the only mistake I did today was to increase my risk. If I have not increased my risk, I would have saved like, let's say how much I would have saved $36. Today today's risk was only 19 to $20 on gold, but because we put another position, which was a mistake, that's why we lost $36 extra. I hope that was a helpful lesson for everyone, including myself. And I do not think so. I would like to, continue watching the charts at this point because if I do continue to watch the charts, then I will do over trading, which we do not like. Okay. Okay, we've been streaming for 3 hours and 25 minutes. Guys, and thank you for people who have joined me on this stream and taken trade with us. but stick with us. So, and by the end of the month, the result can be changed. So till now we have taken for today we have taken only two trades. One was on GBP JPY and one was on gold. The on gold one we made a mistake that we have entered extra position here and put the stop loss was the same. So not a good idea, but our original entry point was here. And yeah, okay. Another trade was just added. We taken a loss on GJ as well. So I think we entered in pre-NY session. That's where we seeing some good amount of volume on GJ, gold, and every other pair. I think now we will see volume for price to continue going down. Yep, I think so too. Yep. But yeah, anyway, we will come back again tomorrow. We'll trade with a normal lot size and see if we get back to where we started. But yeah, today was a bad day, but let's see. So guys, thank you for being part of this trading journey. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Till then, stick with us. Stay on our YouTube channel. Ask if you have any questions. And yeah, let me know in the chat or comment section if you want any interesting videos related to a topic that you want me to explore. Okay. And heads up, like I won't suggest to buy any accounts with a funding engineer. They are not giving any payouts at the moment. So that's it. Okay, well, have a good day. Ciao.